Welcome to BitByBit-Code channel. In this video, we are going to learn the React from the scratch to the advanced level. And here we are going to start React, and here we are going to learn the React Vite and what is the difference between Vite and the normal React. So basically, so not much much importance are there. Some minute changes are there, but both will support the server and both will run on the server and having the same functionalities. But the difference is the Vite is more faster than the comparatively previous React, and you can go to the previous React also. Here if I search like npm React, okay, or else I will just write React React.js. Okay, here you can see it is the older version, and both are same, but the difference is Vite is more faster to learn and user efficiently, you can say, without wasting the time where we need to start the next steps of the installation of the React. So first one, what we need to do, go to the folder and what here create one dummy file, and then in this one, after this one, okay, React.js, click on this line and then backspace, then cmd. Okay, you can either start from this place or else you can start from the VS Code also. So both the places are the same to create a React app. Uh, the I will prefer VS Code only to directly use. Here, what you need to do, go through this file and then click right click and show more option. Click on open with VS Code, and opening the VS Code. After, you can see everything is dummy only, and then we will start control and backtick, and then it will open the terminal. After opening the terminal, what you need to do, go through this one website, getting started White, official White website, scroll little bit downside, and then you can see JavaScript is there and TypeScript also there. Both will support which type of uh, languages, vanilla type, and then many more things are there that we will see later. But then the installation is this here, npm create white at the rate latest. So this is the simple. Okay, paste this and enter. After entering, it will take a time to install. I will make a little bit more bigger. Then it will ask need to install packages from yes, I will tell. Okay, then project name should be whatever you want, you can take. I will take it as a React.js only. And then package name, uh, same. Then which type of framework you want to learn? We are going to learn the React. So I will take React, and then select the variant unit TypeScript JavaScript. We are studying the JavaScript and TypeScript little bit, both are same, but in the TypeScript you need to define the data type before sending any data. So that also we may learn in the upcoming videos. So before that one, JavaScript, enter. After that, what it is saying, three commands to run. First, what it is saying cd react, okay, react.js, enter. Okay, you can see now the file previously was in one folder. Afterwards, we have nested ones. We have moved for the nested one, and then next we are having npm install. Instead of writing full install, we can write I only. Npm installation is getting happen, and then the final step is npm run dev. That also we will run after this command. And here many things you need to install afterwards also, like router dom and many other things, and axios, lot of things are there. So after this one, we are having npm run dev. If you are using that previous one, for that we need to use npm start, like that. We are having different commands also for that one. And after this one, everything is fine now. Control plus this link you need to click. Okay, after clicking on this one, you can see we have been okay, first I will remove this one. now white is there, and count here count is happening. And what if I see here, one thing is most important here. I will refresh once again here. Now what I'm doing, I'm clicking on the count, but without refreshing the page, what it is happening here, it is upgrading the count value. So for example, Zomato or Swiggy, that they will do this one in the real time without refreshing the page. Yeah, if you order something, like you are going to add something add into the cart, and +1 +1 you are clicking, but after that +1 click, what will happen, it should re-render the page, but here it will not re-render the page, because uh, they are making more efficient, optimizing the project so that user friendly it should be. Here I'm clicking on the count values. You can see numbers are getting increased, but it haven't once also refreshed the page. So this is the main purpose of React we use here. During the runtime, we can change the content, and here uh, one of other things is the without reloading, we will change the contents here. And the main purpose of React is, suppose I'm only working with this button, then other should not at all work here. Some white, suppose we are having some other 100 buttons are there, or some 5 to 10 buttons are there. Think like that, and in that only you are clicking on that one particular button. Then what will happen here, that only one particular button will get updated, not the other one will be get rendered. So this is the one main thing we use for the React. And then afterwards, you can read these community guidelines, and many other things are there, and you can go through their GitHub also. And then here they have provided many things, like npm arn, like how npm is there, what is the npm, that also I will tell you. And their structure also. First we will go with the installation. In the next video we will go for the uh, study of that packages things, and many other things of that data. Here you can see many other things are there apart from this one, and you can git clone and many other things you can make. uh, Without wasting time, we will go for that our code, and then we will close the not close, we will hide the terminal, so that whenever we read, we can take the actions. And then we are in this our folder. And now if I go to the src, you can see many things assets are there: app.js, index.css, main.jsx. Already they have written many of the code for that one. You can see whatever the code here on the screen, they have already inbuilt code they have written. And then package.json is there, and what is the json, and how it works. And if you are new to the React or new to the JavaScript, don't get hesitated to comment whatever the doubts you are having. Comment here, or else if you didn't get any response or something like that, if you didn't get any whatever I'm going to tell the things, if you didn't understand, then go to the mdn docs, or many other things are there. React particular website is there, you can go through that and ask the questions. And then here we are having public node modules and many other things. And if you open this node modules, then you will get confused. Then what this much of code haven't written, but why it is getting this much of code? This all the codes are by default provided by the React only, because when you upload this code to the browser, or else suppose you have created your own website or something you have created, and then you have launched that one into the hostinger or something, any platform you have hosted your web page. Then what will happen, for that one you need to have many packages behind the things to run on that particular platform, on that cloud platform. To run on that cloud platform, you need to install again the data. So that by default, the React, what it is doing, it is providing the necessary data that should be important for the user. And if you are launching the your project, then they are having some other commands like npm build, and some other commands are there that will be advanced level. We will go for that also maybe. If you are having interest, comment down, I will make the videos on that also. And with here you can see like where is that? Okay, okay, oh, let it be features. And what is why should we use TypeScript, because instead of JavaScript, and many other things are there. And now React.js is secondary. Now Next.js has been came. Next.js and TypeScript means these are the one so much powerful tools that will we used for in the industry so that no one should hack the crack the version of their mere project and like many more things are there. And then suppose if you want resources and many things are there here, you can go through one by one and read the uh, features definitions properly. And here I'm going to share the notes also so that you can understand properly. Okay, and then these are the things as a beginner, and you need to start learning day by day. And in the React you are having one of the most important things, that important thing, that is router. And not only one thing, that there are many things like routers are there, fragments are there, and many concepts are there that you need to learn step by step, and that I will cover here. And if I remove this one, suppose okay, then h1 of bit by bit code something, I'm typing fast, so let it be. Okay, then we go to the browser, then everything has been removed. Bit by bit code is just, it is there. And then how it is connected to the browser, how it works. This app.jsx is there. It has been exported. So here you can see uh, by default they are providing the some of the things. I will remove everything. We are having some of the extensions, you need to download that one. Because of that only you will get helpful for to React. That is React something 6 7 something is there, React ES7 feature that you can install. Already the installed version I'm having, you can check here. Installed things, see, ES7 Redux and ES7 React. Okay, we will go for this one again back. And then we are having RFCE. What does it do means, it is a React function that will provide us here like something like this. See here, everything is newly data. Then if I add h1 is to uh, bit by bit code, then you can see then the everything CSS has been removed from there. And then for that one, align center it is happening here. And here from the main thing is main.jsx. From the main.jsx only we are handling everything. In JavaScript we are having how we are having strict, like that here having strict mode, uh, and some other concepts are there. If I remove this app from this one, then nothing will print here because everything is connected inside the app. And then suppose if you want to create a another file, how to create that file. Instead of creating here randomly, we can first create one folder as component. Okay, so here one thing most important is component. What do you mean by component? Every thing whatever you can see on the browser, everything is known as component. And here this bit by bit code is there. This is also known as component only. There previously you are seeing an image, that is also known as component only. Here component in the sense files. Okay, in this one what we are going to do, we are going to create one file as a something index. Everything already index is there. We'll create one some file as a uh, something any you can take the name. I will take create create.jsx. You need to add this extension also, create.jsx. Okay, then after that rfce, then h1 hello, and then create has been already there. And then save this one. After saving this one, you need to go to the app.jsx. After in this jsx, what you need to do, you need to import that one. And how after that one, import create. Okay, see, the create has been here. And then after this one, how to use this one. Now you need to add a What is something has opened here? Okay. You need to create your self React means HTML tags. These are the self HTML tag in the HTML6. They have provided one most important version, that is self create means user created attribute tags are there. Like previously you have seen h1, like that you can create custom things. Custom in the sense the user, like I have created something I have created here now as a create name. You can see that I have printed on the screen. So this is how you can link the files with the app.jsx, and app.jsx linked with the main.jsx. This is the main file path. And in the next video I'm going to teach you what is the use case of this node modules, public and src, and package.json and many other things. And I will provide the notes also for that. Subscribe the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching the video.